How to draw a snow angel. We are going to start by drawing a coat. This will be in the middle of our page, and we'll start by drawing an L-like shape. Then from that we will draw a line going upwards for the right side of the coat. We are off to a great start. Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Next we are going to draw the sleeves of our coat. First we will draw the right sleeve by drawing a rectangular shape going upwards and diagonal. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw the left sleeve the same way. Now in the middle, for the part that will be around the neck, we are going to draw a small shape that looks like a hot dog. Then we are going to go ahead and connect the sleeves to this middle part that will be around the neck. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to begin drawing the pants. We will first draw the left pant leg, starting right below the left side of the jacket and drawing a rectangular shape going downwards. Great job! Now we are going to draw the right pant leg the same way. Looking awesome! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now you can see that we have a person that's all spread out ready to make a snow angel. Next we are going to draw a boot below each one of the pant legs. Looks awesome! Now we are going to draw another boot below the right pant leg the same way. Next we are going to draw the mittens. First we will draw the right hand mitten that will connect to the right sleeve. Then we are going to draw the left hand mitten the same way. Our drawings are coming along so well. Learn how to draw Hub Crew. I can't wait to see them when they're finished. Now we're going to add a few details on our coat. Near the bottom of each sleeve on our coat, we're going to draw a line going across. Then where the pants meet our jacket, on both sides we will draw a small curved line for a pocket. Then to add some more detail to our coat, we are going to draw a line going across the bottom of it. Then lastly, on our coat, we are going to draw a line going from the neck piece all the way down the middle to the bottom where that line we just drew is. Wow, Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our drawings are looking awesome. Now that we're all done drawing the body, we're going to start drawing the head for our person. We will start by drawing the left ear. This will be a small C-like shape. Then from that, we will draw a small curved line going downwards to the neck piece of the coat. And then on the right side, we will draw a small line going upwards for the right side of the face. Then we will draw a backward C-like shape for the right ear. Now we're going to draw the hairline. Since our person is going to be laying down in the snow, we're going to make his hair look a little bit crazy. The hairline will start at the right ear and go all the way around to the left ear. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to draw the outline of the hair. For this, you could draw your person with long hair or short hair. Make it however you would like. Now for the last step of drawing our person, we are going to draw the face. Near the bottom, we are going to draw a half circle for the mouth. Then above that, we are going to draw a small curved line for the nose. Next, we are going to draw 2 curved lines for the eyes. Then above the eyes, we are going to draw 2 lines for the eyebrows. Looks awesome! Now we are going to draw the outline of our snow angel. We will start at the end of the left hand and draw a long line going downwards that curves in towards the waist. Then starting right below that line, we are going to draw a curved line going outwards that curves towards the bottom of the foot. And then we are going to draw a slightly curved line connecting the 2 feet together. Then at the top of the left glove, we are going to start drawing a line going upwards that curves down towards the shoulder of the arm. Starting right by that line where we finished, we are going to draw a circle going around the head. Then we are going to draw the right side of the snow angel the same way that we did the left side. From the right glove, we're going to draw a line going downwards that curves in towards the waist, and another curved line that goes downwards and connects to the foot. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub so that we can see them. Also, if this video helped you out, then give it a big like below and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.